In this video, we're diving into how to use NordVPN's Meshnet feature to securely access your home PC from anywhere in the world. Now, have you ever been on vacation and realized you left an important file on your desktop at home? Or maybe you've wanted to join a gaming session with friends, but you couldn't because everyone was on different networks. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you stay safe online. Today, we'll explore what Meshnet is, why it's useful, and how you can set it up for remote access, file sharing, gaming, and collaboration. Along the way, I'll share tips and answer common questions so you leave confident in using this powerful tool. The power of a private network. Imagine having your own private network that follows you around the world. You could hop on a hotel Wi-Fi in Paris, connect to your own home computer, Santa Rosa, California, and keep working as if you were sitting at your desk. That's what Meshnet offers, but many people aren't sure where to start. Have you wondered whether you can trust public Wi-Fi or how to stream content from your home media server while abroad? Well, if so, keep watching. What is Meshnet? So before jumping into the setup, let's quickly talk about what Meshnet actually does. Meshnet is a feature built into NordVPN that creates a virtual private network directly between your own devices. So instead of routing all your traffic through a VPN server in a data center, Meshnet connects your devices peer-to-peer using NordLynx, a fast protocol based on WireGuard. Each device in the mesh gets a unique IP address that is only visible within your private network. Now, why use a mesh network? Think of a Meshnet as a secure tunnel between your devices. With it, you can access files remotely, grab documents, photos, or code from your home computer even when you're thousands of miles away. Share large files with friends or colleagues without uploading them to a third-party cloud service. Play games over a virtual LAN so you can enjoy multiplayer titles that only work on local networks. Route your internet traffic through another device, letting you appear to be browsing from a different location. This is handy if one device has a better connection or access to content. Now, Meshnet isn't a replacement for a traditional VPN server when you want to hide your location or unblock streaming services. Instead, it's like creating your own mini internet. Now, have you ever needed to collaborate with someone but you didn't want to expose your entire system to the web? If so, Meshnet solves that by giving you full control over who can connect and what they can do. Getting started. Prerequisites. Step 1, sign up and install NordVPN. To use Meshnet, you'll need a NordVPN account. And if you already have one, make sure your subscription is active and your apps are up to date. If not, go ahead and get started with the link down in the description. When you click on that link, it'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get 4 months for free by using our special link. So just go ahead and click on Get the Deal, and here's where you can go ahead and choose a plan and choose a term. So from here, go ahead and select any plan, the basic, the plus, the complete, or the prime, depending on what you need. You can go ahead and scroll through these to decide the one that's best for you. The basics are most popular and the plus is the best value. So we'll go ahead and select the best value on the 2-year plan. We're gonna get the most savings. You're still gonna see some great savings with that 1-year plan, but no savings on the month-to-month plan. So go ahead and select your plan. So I went with the 2-year plan on the plus. That's gonna be $83.76 for a total of 28 months. Now, NordVPN also has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try all this stuff out, see if it's going to work for you in your situation, and make your decision within those first 30 days. So again, we'll leave that special link for you down in the description below. Now, after you go ahead and do all that, go ahead and download and install the NordVPN app on the devices you want to connect to, whether that's Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, and even some smart TVs are supported. Meshnet works across different platforms, so you can link your desktop, your laptop, your phone, and your tablet. Now, do you need a paid plan to use Meshnet? Surprisingly, no. NordVPN made Meshnet free in 2023, so you can create a mesh network even with a basic account. The paid subscription adds regular VPN features, but Meshnet itself is available to everyone. Step 2, enable Meshnet. Now, once the app is installed, open it and log in. Navigate to the Meshnet section, usually found in the left sidebar, or sometimes it's under settings. You'll see an option to enable Meshnet, and when you toggle it on for the first time, NordVPN will switch your connection protocol to NordLynx because Meshnet relies on this fast, secure technology. Now, don't worry, this change is automatic. On your primary device, let's say your home PC, enable Meshnet and give the device a friendly name. This name will help you identify modify it later. For example, you might call it Home Desktop. Now just repeat the process on your laptop, phone, and any other device that you want access to. Each device gets a unique Meshnet IP address that looks like x.x.x.x and is only reachable within your network. Step 3, add devices and manage permissions. Meshnet allows you to connect up to 60 devices total, 10 of your own and 50 external devices. To link devices, you send invitations. On your home PC, click Add Device and choose whether it's your device or someone else's. If you're linking your own device, you'll get a one-time code or a link to log in on the second device. If you're inviting a friend or a colleague, you'll send them a link via email or chat. They'll need to accept the invitation from within their NordVPN app. Now, managing permissions is crucial. For each device, you can decide whether it can route traffic through your device. Now, this means their internet connection goes out through your home PC, giving them your home IP address. They can also access files and local network services. So this lets you share folders or access printers and NAS devices, or send files to you. So you can limit file sharing or open it up for collaboration. So take a moment to set these permissions carefully. For example, you might allow your laptop to access everything on your home PC, but restrict a friend to file sharing only. Permissions can be adjusted or revoked at any time. Connecting devices. Remote access in action. With Meshnet enabled and devices linked, it's time to put it to use. So let's explore some scenarios. Remote desktop without the hassle. Have you ever used remote desktop software like TeamViewer or Chrome Remote Desktop? Those tools require extra accounts, firewall rules, or third-party servers. With Meshnet, you can connect directly to your home PC's internal IP address. On your laptop, simply enter the Meshnet IP of your home PC into your remote desktop client or file manager. Now, because the connection is encrypted and peer-to-peer, your traffic never travels through a central server. So this is perfect for grabbing that forgotten document. Just open your file explorer, type //home-desktop on Windows, or smb://home-desktop on macOS, and there you'll see the shared folders that you allowed. Drag and drop the files just like you're at home. No more emailing yourself attachments or uploading to cloud storage. Routing traffic through home. Another powerful feature is traffic routing. Suppose you're traveling abroad and you want access to a website that's only available back home. Instead of connecting to a NordVPN server in your home country, you can route your laptop's internet through your home PC. Enable traffic routing permission on your home PC, then on your laptop, toggle Use a Device in Meshnet as a gateway and select your home PC. Now all your internet traffic appears to originate from your home network. This can help with streaming local news or using services that require a residential IP. Secure file sharing. Meshnet's file sharing is simple. On the sending device, choose Send File and select your recipient. You can send up to 1,000 files at a time, and the transfer is encrypted end to end. Because there's no need to upload to a cloud server, transfers are fast and private. Have you ever struggled to email large files or waited hours for a cloud upload? Meshnet bypasses those hassles. Virtual LAN gaming. For gamers, Meshnet opens up a world of possibilities. Many older indie games only support LAN multiplayer. By connecting you and your friends through Meshnet, you create a virtual LAN where the game thinks everyone is on the same local network. Host a server on your PC and share the Meshnet IP with your friends. They join as if they're plugged into your router. Latency is minimal thanks to NordLynx's low overhead, so your gaming experience feels smooth. Ever miss the days of LAN parties? Meshnet brings them back without the cables. Collaboration and remote work. Working with team members. Meshnet isn't just for personal use. It's great for collaboration. You can invite colleagues to your Mesh network, share project files directly, and even route their traffic through your office network if needed. Do you work with sensitive data? Meshnet ensures that files stay within your encrypted network rather than bouncing around third-party servers. Hosting a private server. If you run a development server, game server, or media server at home, Meshnet lets you make it accessible for specific people. For example, you could host a Plex server on your home PC and and grant your family access. They open the Plex app, enter your Meshnet IP, and stream movies securely. Or maybe you're a developer who needs to test a web app on multiple devices. Instead of exposing your server to the entire internet, you share it via Meshnet with only the testers. Teaching and learning. Tutors and teachers can use Meshnet to help students. Imagine a coding mentor guiding a student through a project stored on the mentor's desktop. The student connects via Meshnet, accesses the code, and the mentor explains as they work together. Because Meshnet is cross-platform, it doesn't matter if one person is on Windows and another is on Linux. Managing security and performance. Encryption and privacy. Meshnet uses the NordLynx protocol, which combines the speed of WireGuard with additional privacy features. All traffic between devices is encrypted with AES 256, the same standard used by banks and governments. Plus, each connection has perfect forward secrecy, meaning that even if someone somehow intercepted your traffic now, they couldn't decrypt past sessions. Because Meshnet connects devices directly, there are fewer hops than when using a VPN server. That can improve performance for gaming and file transfers. However, your bandwidth still matters. If your home upload speed is slow, your remote connections will be limited. So consider upgrading your internet plan if you plan to stream high-resolution video from your home PC. Controlling access. It's important to review your device list regularly. Remove devices you no longer use, and revoke permissions for people who no longer need access. Meshnet is secure, but like any tool, it's only as safe as your configuration. Also, remember that Meshnet uses your home PC as a gateway when routing traffic. That means your home internet provider may see more data usage, so be aware of your data caps. Troubleshooting tips. If you run into issues, here are some common solutions. Connection fails or is slow. Check that all devices are using NordLynx and have up-to-date software. Try restarting the app or your device. Cannot see shared files. Make sure file sharing is enabled in your operating system. On Windows, you might need to allow network discovery. On macOS, enable file sharing in system preferences. Invite not received. Ensure the recipient has a NordVPN account and that you sent the correct email address or code. They should look in the app's Meshnet section for pending invites. Traffic routing not working. Verify that the gateway device is powered on, connected to the internet, and has traffic routing permission enabled. Try reconnecting both devices. Unlocking the potential of Meshnet. So we've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of what Meshnet is to practical ways that you can use it for remote access, file sharing, gaming, collaboration, and more. Setting up Meshnet involves enabling it on the NordVPN app, adding your devices, and configuring permissions. Once it's connected, the possibilities are vast. Whether you're a traveler needing access to your home files, a gamer craving low latency LAN play, or a professional collaborating with a remote team, Meshnet offers a simple, secure solution. So if you've ever felt frustrated by the limitation of traditional VPNs or worried about exposing your devices to the internet, then give Meshnet a try. It combines the best of peer-to-peer networking and modern encryption to create a private network that goes wherever you go. So if you want to get started with any of the products we talked about today, then you'll find links in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we cover everything from VPNs and cybersecurity to how to stay safe online and detailed product comparisons. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.